Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITM340. My name is Schwarz. I teach here at Golden Gate University since 2009, and I'll be your instructor for ITM340 this semester. In this introductory video, I will tell you a little bit about ITM340. I'll go through the syllabus and talk about the textbooks. ITM340 is a foundational class that gives you an overview about how IT management is used to facilitate and accelerate business. It's a class for MBA students who want to learn how to use IT in business, and obviously it's a class for IT management students to get an overview of the different topics. This class is about overview. We talk about things like portfolio management, business intelligence, data warehouses at an introductory level. There are other classes that you can take later that go into more depth. This is the syllabus. First order of business is to download the syllabus. Tells you a little bit about myself. You will find information about the assignments in section 6, course procedure and assignments. Every week there will be a few questions that basically reflect on your reading. I recommend that you do a good job with these assignments because you can take those homework and the notes that you take for the homework into the exams, and it's a great exam preparation because it recaptures everything that we discuss every week. And also in many weeks we have discussion forums about current articles, CIO articles, topics that really relate to what we read in that week in the real world. So it's not a purely academic class, it's a class about learning how to use what we learn from an academic perspective in the real world. That's what it's all about. Second class of assignments are short reports. I publish a list of topics. You can pick 3 topics from the list and you do a little research report. With a report you can also do a presentation, and we will discuss about these presentations so everybody gets a chance to see everybody else's presentation, and you'll get feedback also on the effectiveness of your presentation. I think that's a nice additional learning experience. And then finally you have a term paper, a case study about Home Depot and how Home Depot faced a challenge to connect their online business with their retail business. So very current case, Harvard Business School case study. Gives you great opportunity to recap and show what you learned in the class. That's the final term paper. Section 11, you find the course outline with explanations what the objectives are in each week, what the assignments are in each week. I'll update this syllabus because we're using a new book, and so I'll have to get used to the new book, and we'll use it throughout the middle of the class. Talking about books, the main book that we use is a GGU specific combination of the first and the second edition of CIO Best Practices. CIO Best Practices is a great book because it really applies some of the fundamental things we know about IT management with practical experience. First edition focuses more on methodology. Second edition brings in new topics like agility and cloud computing. And we'll also read this book. This is a really well written book about cloud computing and how cloud computing changes the way we can run a business today. So very good thing to know. Definitely good for you to know when you finish your degree. So with that, there was a brief overview of the class, what the class is all about, talked a little bit about the syllabus, talked a little bit about assignments and our books. I hope I gave you a good start in the class. Please, if you have any questions, contact me, and we'll hear from each other throughout the semester. So Hope we'll have a great semester. Enjoy, have fun, and I hope you'll learn something.